Whiskey cocktails. Bold, elegant, effortlessly cool. Like that black dress or the classic bun gala that never fails to impress. Hi, I'm Priyanka Arora, aka Madira Wo, and today we are making some interesting whiskey cocktails. A little history. You think whiskey cocktails are a new Instagram trend? No. Old fashioned, Manhattan, whiskey sour. ये सब 1800 से चले आ रहे हैं. But unlike those, these drinks have only aged like fine whiskeys, better with time. Hi, today I'm making my favorite whiskey cocktail at home called Old Fashioned. Very simple yet very tasty, I must tell you that. First off, you need a sugar cube. If you don't have sugar cube, you can also take some white sugar and put it just like 1 teaspoon of it. Then comes bitters. Well, bitters are like the perfect accessory for a good whiskey cocktail. Then I'm gonna add 3 drops here. 1, 2, and 3. Then all you have to do is mix it really well. Your bitters and sugar really needs to mix well. Next up, we will add our favorite whiskey. I'm preferring bourbon to make this one, but you can add whichever whiskey that you like. I'm putting 60 ml. You can even go up to 90. Knock yourself out. Last but not the least, you need to take an orange peel, twist it, and rim the glass a little bit. And you can just add it to your whiskey. Last step is to add 2 cubes of big ice. Voila! Well, I am also gonna add a secret ingredient which I didn't tell you guys in the start. It's my favorite, cherries. Cheers! Second, today I'm gonna make Manhattan. Manhattan is one of the oldest cocktails which was made back in New York in 18th centuries. Manhattan is one of my favorites, not just because of its name, but also because of its flavor. So very simple. First, you have to start by putting a lot of ice in your glass. Fill this up as much as possible. Ice, as many ice cubes. You will thank me later. I am using a Scottish whiskey. You can fill this up. Almost 60 ml of good Scottish whiskey. The third ingredient here is sweet vermouth. Why sweet vermouth? Because the whiskey is bitter, and just to give a little hint of sweetness here, you can add sweet vermouth. Again, I'm using 60. You can even add 30 ml of sweet vermouth. Oh, see the color. It's becoming so pretty, right? Last but not the least, your very own bitters. 1, 2, and 3. Bitters are the secret ingredient for any whiskey cocktail. All bartenders will agree. Keep stirring. Maybe you want to skip this part, but I have to give it a nice stir. Take another cocktail glass. I'm using a normal stem one here. You can also freeze this cocktail glass because as cold this cocktail will be, the more flavors you will have in it. Stir and then strain. You can serve it neat, or you can garnish it with some cherry on the top. Cheers! Hey, the third one is called whiskey sour. So, first off, the ingredient that a lot of people get confused with in this one or avoid sometimes is the egg white. I prefer adding it because it gives a very creamy, velvety texture to the drink. So yeah, I am adding egg white. Take some egg white. I have taken around about 15 ml of egg white here. Add it to your shaker. Then of course the whiskey. Go as kind as you can for the whiskey. I'm using around 60 ml. Next, triple sec, around about 30 ml. And now close it and give it a little bit of a shake. Yes, as you can see, I've not added ice because I want the egg to shake well with other ingredients. Now I've added added 3 to 4 cubes of ice, and now I'm again shaking it. Shake it as much as you can. Mix it well. Now you can add some more ice to your drink. Lastly, add some bitters. I'm adding an orange peel. Twist the orange. And at the top, cherry, one of my favorite ingredients. I think by now you all know. Cheers! You have to subscribe to this channel if you want more easy cocktails to make at home to impress your friends, family, and maybe a special date too.